how is your day going today? My day is going fine. Today we have some pasta, guys, with some salad and some wings. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We're gonna go ahead and go in for the taste test. This is the pasta we have, and let me give you guys a bite first. Okay. I couldn't go without wasting it, guys. It just dropped. I tried, but it's so good. It's very flavorful and very cheesy. I love this. You have to try this recipe. I'm telling you, you have to try this recipe. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and taste the salad, which this is a Caesar salad. With some romaine lettuce, guys. So good. Ain't nothing like some fresh lettuce too. I love those romaine lettuce. Okay, so let's go in for the wing. Give you guys a bite of this wing. Look at that. So good. Y'all know Mink be burning in the kitchen, so it goes without saying. Let me not hype myself up, you know. But anyway, guys. We're trying the Good Burger from Arby's, and we have the curly fries, we have the burger, we have a little extra sauce on the side. I could not get the shake that comes with it because their machine was down, so we're gonna go ahead. I got a Sprite instead, so we're gonna go ahead and taste this burger. I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, and I'm gonna taste it. I'm just afraid something is gonna fall off of it. Hold on, guys. It's good. It's really good, guys. I'm gonna taste the curly fries with some sauce. Hold on. Here you go. Okay. I give this an 8 out of 10, guys. For one, I didn't get my shake. For another, I mean, it was like $13 for this burger, guys. I think it could have been like maybe a few dollars cheaper. Yeah, but I understand they advertise and they marketing for the movie that's coming up November 22nd, I believe. Who's going to see the movie, guys? I might go see the movie. But it was good overall, guys. So go and check out this burger. If you have checked out this burger, please let me know in the comments, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Y'all won't be able to see my video if y'all don't hit the notification bell. Share for the world to see so others can see my video as well. And thank you all for supporting me, because I do see you all sharing my videos. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. Bye bye, my minkies.